Hello folks. Well, today I'm going to restore this Lite Machines 110 small nitro helicopter. It was sent to me from a subscriber who did not give a name or email address to thank him. So whoever you are, thank you very kindly. Well, I had a friend in the United States Marine Corps whose name was Osiris Felix. He had one of these and I remember helping him with it years ago. I remember him saying it was a handful to fly, and as I remember, that was true. This machine has a tiny .061 engine in it and a muffler throttle setup that is used instead of a carburetor. It reminds me of the old Cox 049 throttles that squeezed off the exhaust to slow the engine. Well, one thing that I noticed when I tried to check the glow plug is that I had to unscrew the entire head. The glow plug, as you can see, has to be the Norvel type. It's not available, so I actually was able to find an adapter for $4.95 on the Makoa website. So if this one does fail, I can then install a standard glow plug instead using this adapter. Wow. Well, this machine also has folding blades and was promoted as being almost indestructible. Also, the frame is made out of plywood. The receiver was also damaged, probably a broken crystal, so I upgraded and put in a Spectrum. The most interesting part about it was the Arlton tail rotor gyro, which is missing from this machine. I tried to find one but could not, so here's pictures of what it actually looked like. Well, the tail rotor has fly bars just like the main rotor that moved when the boom was moved, thus reversing the pitch to act like a gyro. Well, since that part was missing, I've added my own E-flite gyro to it. This should help it fly a little bit better, albeit I learned to fly helis before gyros, so hope it works out. The elevator servo was damaged, so I replaced that along with the tail fin, which was also broken. So it's all put back together now. Let's see if we can get it started and see how it'll fly. Okay, let's see if this little Lite Machines will start. I'm using my homemade starter for it, and with no collective pitch, the engine speed must be increased to go up or down, so it lags a lot. It makes a hell of a lot of noise, I'll tell you that. Well, thanks a lot for watching this vintage 1994 Lite Machines helicopter fly. You know, this was cutting edge and the smallest nitro engine powered helicopter at the time. We'll see you next time. This is NightFlyyer signing off.
Well, there you go, folks. The enormous Johnson.